Hey, what's up? My name is Feldon, and I just wanted to give you a couple of details about Chase's Facebook Mastery course. And I just want to start by saying one of the biggest things that I've noticed that separates his program from other courses is that he's actually there. I've taken a lot of Facebook ads courses, and I feel that his is one of the best because you actually get help from him. I've been on a lot of the group chats for almost a year now, I want to say, and every single time I get to talk to him for a couple minutes and just ask questions. And it's really comforting to know that you have someone there that has your back while you're running these ads, because running ads can be complicated if it's not your background, and he makes the process really easy to understand. I've done six figures in ad spend already just since I started working with Chase. I've made all of my money back, tons of profits running these ads, and he's great to work with. If I ever have questions, he's there to answer them. I just have to hop on one of the calls. It's not like other programs that you'll look at where you have to wait and deal with someone from the agency or the team. You get to work with the creator directly, and you get your questions answered directly. And I think that's one of the most valuable takes that you can get from this, because he's done multiple seven figures. I think probably even eight figures by now, running ads for his company and other companies. So he definitely has the expertise. He has the experience. Hope this helps. Peace.